welcome, come along to Teacher Tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today we are excited to begin exploring numbers with our book.
Count with us, a journey into numbers.
Come along.
This is number 20. This is the word 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. When you see a number 2 with a number 0, together they make the number 20. Flip your page. Now we are going to go ahead and box all of the number 20s. 19, 20. Box it, box it, box your number 20. 1, 15. We have another 20 right there. Go ahead and draw your box. Draw your box. Let's continue. 19, 4, 15, 11, 18, 16, 20. Box our number 20. Box our number 20. Box it, box it, box our number 20. Let's keep going. 18, 19, 20. Go ahead and put a box around it. Put a box around it. 14, 8, 20. Put a box on your 20. Put a box on your 20. 9, 19, 19, 20. Put a box around 20. All right. 1, 12, 3. I found all my 20s. Did you find all the 20s? I know you did. All right. I'm erasing my board. Go ahead and flip to the next page. Now we are going to go ahead and count. We have to get to the number 20. And remember, we're going to go ahead and draw a line through each of the pictures so we don't lose count. And if we did, we know where we stopped. All right, come on, count with me. Let's go ahead and start with the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 kites. We cannot draw a line because we need to get to 20. Let's come over here and count the flowers. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Let's draw our line from the flowers to the 20. We have 20 flowers. Let's go ahead and count these pencils. Ready? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 pencils. We need to get to 20. Ooh, I love it. Here goes the airplane. Here goes the airplane. Let's go ahead and count these airplanes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, 20. What do? We draw our line down here to the 20. We have 20 airplanes. All right, let's count these bunny rabbits. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We only had 19 bunny rabbits. So let's go over here to the beach balls and see if we have 20 beach balls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Let's draw that line. 20 beach balls. 20 beach balls. Yes, so we drew our line. Did you get them all? Did you count with me? Did you get them all? Did you count with me? I know you did. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. And I want you to flip the page. Now we are going to color the squares that has the number 20. Remember, the 20 is a 2 and a 0 in the same square. Let's color. 20 is our first one, so let's go ahead and color it. 19, 20. Go ahead and color it. 19, 18, 19, 25, 22, 20. Yes. Color that in. Color, 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 color. 18, 20. Let's color 20. 19, 20. Yes. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Color, 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 color. All right. 25, 22, 24, 17, 20. Color that 20. 19, 25. We found all the 20s. We found all the 20s. Great, great job. All right. I will erase my board. And I want you to flip the page. All right. Will you count to 20 with me? Wonderful. Let's go. Let's go. And count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We did it. We did it. We counted to 20. Great job. Let's go ahead and flip the page. Actually, go to page 139 in your book. Your name should already be in your book. And you should already have section 1 filled in. Section 2 should already be filled in. Section 3 will be filled in. Now let's fill in section 4. This tells us that we counted from 1 to 5. That's what we did in section 1. And then we counted from 6 to 10 in section 2. And in section 3, we counted from 11 to 15. And now you all are amazing because you counted from 16 to 20. So you can count from 1 to 20. And guess what? I am super duper proud of you. Congratulations Only one more section to go.
Across the floor. 17 hops, now let's do more. 18 twirls, spin around. 19 jumps,